Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix file name too long in OneDrive app at 2026. So why OneDrive shows file name too long? OneDrive limits the total path length, okay, like the folder name plus subfolders plus file name. The max path length is 400 characters. That's OneDrive rule. Mobile apps often fail earlier due to system limits. Deep folders plus long file name equal sync error. So to fix the issue, you'll need to rename the file, and that's the fastest fix, right? So you will need to use a shorten or a short name or a short file name. So you only, if it's long, you will need to shorten the file name, okay? So yeah, that's the fastest fix. The second fix is to move the file to a higher folder. So reduce the folder depth. So let's say that's the file is on the pictures, okay? So you will need just to go with pictures right here, tap on the three dots and then go with move, and after that select another file or folder. Also, you will need to avoid some characters like the emojis and the symbols, or also the very long auto-generated names. So just use the letters, numbers, and that's it. Let's say it's a shared folder, okay? So it will be on the shared section. You may not be allowed to rename. So to fix the issue, you will need to ask the owner to rename or move the file, okay? So there is another option. You can download the file and rename it and upload again if allowed, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.